There's still anyone was there start watching the. Is there still any regular class still exist or not? Still exist or not? Masih ada nggak? Three of them ya still ya. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Alright. So before we start our class, please one person lead the prayer. One. Okay, guys, how are you today, guys? Oh yeah. Okay ya. Okay, no matter ya how hard it is, how tired you are, it is what it is. If you have something to reach out, you have to pay ya, pay the cost, right? I mean like earn your effort. And right now we already have an absent list ya. It's very crowded. That's fine. Zaki, where is Zaki? Okay. Arik, please mention your first, your friend. Yeah. Make a checklist ya.
Azan Syahid, dia present. Lokman, Kazi, Harun, Fahri, Hasan, Tanpa,
Be careful, be careful.
Nopan, Tengku Royan, Iqmal,
Iqmal Ires because he already go home ya. He already went to home. Yeah.
Rahman, Nahwa, Zidan, Haki, Aziz, Haikal, Andrew, Dean, Nabil,
Please move a bit to the front, guys.
Farhan Syaukian,
Okay.
Syokani juga Syokani, Iza, Yusuf, Naufal, Zaidan Hussein, Abdul Haris Al-Fakih.
Okay. And then of them who hasn't mentioned the name, guys? Sudah semua di absen? Yang belum ada? Okay, I'm sorry for what's the again? Abdul Haris Al Fakih. Who's it? Who is this? Oh, Mr. Haris. I thought it was Fakih. Yeah, you have a different name, yeah, Fakih. Wait, there's a two Fakih here then. And then Zidan Abdul Rahman. He's out, right? Oh, you make a checklist. Okay. That's fine. All right. So before we starting the class, like usual, I want you to review the vocabulary, but we're gonna start with from the last verse and then to the first page, first daily ya. Dari akhir sampai awal dulu. Buka dulu vocabulary-nya. I give you 5 minutes to review with your friend ya. Kayak kemarin. Bawa semua kan? Day 1 sampai day kemarin teh day 16 apa 17 ya? Day 17 or then day 16? 16 ya? 15. Oh, 15. 16 bukannya udah? Yang artikelnya? Belum? Artikelnya sampai mana kemarin? 16 kan? Artikel 16 udah. Nah, berarti dari 16 sampai day 1, guys. Ready? Ready? Are you ready? Oke, please partnering with your friend. Partneran sama temennya, hadap-hadapan. Ini sama ini gitu aja, biar cepat. Dari day 16 ya, mundur. 5 menit. 5 menit. Start, come on.
When the unit of Rasilasi
Precaution. Have a fishy day. Iqtirabul qalbi dalilun ala Iqtirabul qalbi dalilun ala khawf Abshirul ma'ali Tulaba Ifraquhum Iqtirabul qalbi dalilun ala Iqtirabul Abshirul ma'ali Tulaba Ifraquhum Iqtirabul Nuhudu talibi mubatiran adatun Istima'ul kitabi ala fawaid al-himma Istima'ul kitabi Istima'ullahi In'amallahi alaina katsiran. Ibadur rahuli sadiqah maghfuratun. In'amallahi alaina katsiran. Damanul amna damanul amni wajibatu wajibun. Amani wajibun. Wajibun. Damanul amna wajibun. Doakan kamu dengan tabasyiran tabasyiran alimi kepada tabasyiran alimi kepada takbiran yufriquhum Oke, time's up. Take turn, gantian. Gantian, nggak apa-apa, belum beres, gantian. Bedaknya nanti. In'amallahi alaina katsiran. Ibadur rajuli lisadiqihi maghfuratun. Kebenaran Kashful hakikati daruriyun. Kashful kebenaran. Not spend dari from our Alright, time's up, guys. Time's up. Time's up. Anyone answer with wrong? Ada yang jawabnya salah? Ada? Please distribute this powder ya. Come on, make it faster. Make it faster. Kalau lebih dari 5 setelapak tangan ya. Kalau 5 aja jari aja, kalau 5 aja jari. Kalau lebih dari 5 telapak tangan, jangan usah 6. Come on, make it faster, guys. While you are waiting the powder, please open sambil nunggu produknya. Buka dari 17 ya. Artikel dari 17. Anyone got answer more than 5? Ada yang salah jawabnya 5? Lebih dari 5 ada? Nggak ada? Bagus, bagus. Ini nggak ada salah? Nggak ada yang salah nih? Oh udah. Taruh depan. Udahnya taruh depan. Bisa ke depan. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, I already mentioned the pronunciations, right? Till day 20 ya. Udah saya sebutin ya sampai day 20 ya. Pronunciation of each vocabulary ya. Oke, jadi sekarang artikel-artikel aja ya. Alright, we're gonna start with article on day 17 ya. 17. This nanti 17. Alright, so please read it together, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Farhan, translate into bahasa. All of them, semuanya. Baca dulu sekalimat, baru arti.
Education helps us improve our ability. Edukasi.
Pendidikan.
Pendidikan membantu kita untuk meningkatkan kemampuan kita. In school, we learn many subjects like science and history. Di sekolah, kita mempelajari banyak mata pelajaran seperti sains dan sejarah.
Sains apa? Sains?
Ilmu pengetahuan.
Ya.
To get a good score, untuk mendapatkan nilai yang bagus, we must review the lesson every night. We must review the lesson every night. Kita harus
to get a good score. Apa itu tadi?
To get a good score, untuk mendapatkan nilai yang bagus, we must review the lesson every night. Kita harus mengulas pelajaran setiap malam.
Nabil, lanjutin.
If we study hard,
Jangan.
If we study hard, we will pass the exam.
The exam.
Jika kita belajar dengan sungguh-sungguh, kita akan lulus ujian. But if we are lazy, we might fail. Tapi kalau kita malas, nanti kita gagal.
Nanti mana ada nanti? We might fail.
Kita
sama kayak Mei.
Kita mungkin gagal.
Ya. Haikal, lanjutin.
Intelligent students likes to visit the library and use the dictionary to find new words. Murid yang rajin suka mengunjungi perusahaan dan menggunakan kamus untuk menemukan kosakata baru.
Kosakata yang baru. Okay. Like usual. I was again. I already learned the new vocabulary of each day because I already mentioned the pronunciations, right? Udah dipelajari belum semua vocabulary sampai day 20? Day 9 belum ya? Yeah. I guess what's that? I already mentioned it, the pronunciation, all of you, to you till it finish. Jadi saya kira ketika saya sudah kalau misalnya teman-teman ada waktu kosong, if you have a free time, try to learn it ya, because I already mentioned the pronunciation, right? Karena saya udah berikan pronunciation-nya, cara bicaranya. Jadi ketika masuk kelas, masih ada materi lagi ya, kita agak cepet dipelajari vocabulary-nya. Oke, berarti kalau gitu dari artikel 17 dulu gitu kalau gitu. Sama seperti kemarin, coba buat satu pertanyaan, saya kasih waktu 1 menit. Satu pertanyaan. Buat satu pertanyaan aja regarding to this article, terkait dengan artikel ini ya. Artikel ini tentang apa artikel ini? Education ya. Educations and then anything that relating to education ya. Buat satu pertanyaan yang menanyakan tentang experience, pengalaman temannya nanti, dan satunya lagi bebas ya. Jadi 2 pertanyaan, oke? Saya kasih waktu 2 menit buat pertanyaan. Come on. Yeah. About educations. Yeah, two questions. Yeah, two questions. The first questions, you may ask your friend about his experience, pengalamannya ya. Yang satunya, the other, up to you. Oke, bebas. Kalau nggak paham, tanya aja guys. Ya,
What's the English? Rasa malas.
laziness, kemalasan ya.
Laziness.
Laziness. SMP. SMP itu junior high school. Kalau vocational high school itu SMK ya. Kalau SMA high school ya. Junior, senior. Manfaat apa manfaat? Benefit. Udah semua ini? Udah 3 menit tuh. Udah. 1 menit lagi deh. Sempit, narrow. Ya. Hello.
What the English?
Bagimu apa? Tahu nggak? For you, untukmu, to you, for you. Zaidan, please make the temperature higher lagi. 16 maybe, or 17. Ngaruh nggak sih? 17 coba. Agak panas ya. Okay, time's up. Please partnering with your friend and ask the questions. Also, don't forget to to write it the point ya of your friend's answer. Ayo partneran kemana. Move a bit, Fakih, to the front.
Okay, what's your question?
We are three of you here. Okay. Please.
Okay.
5 minutes to answer 2 questions ya. 5 menit untuk menjawab 2 pertanyaan.
We can memorize
We must remember
What do you want to say? Ngomong apa? Nggak kedengaran apa? Ada lesson ya, oke. When you are not like that, like the material element. Oh yeah.
What is the not example? That is correct. Correct us the question.
Yeah, repeat again.
What is the hard exam for you?
Hard exam for you? Hard exam, what do you mean hard exam? The hard examination. Or difficult, pakai difficult ya. Difficult. What is the most difficult examination? Yeah. The most yeah. For you, okay. Kecerdasan, intelligence, pakai C, intelligence. Let. Biarkan apa? Let meeting.
Sebisa mungkin.
Sebisa mungkin as can as possible. Ya, sejauh mungkin, as far as possible. Kalau sedekat mungkin apa? Sedekat mungkin apa? Dekat apa dekat? Dekat apa bahasa Inggris dekat? Near, berarti as near as possible. Nah, ya. Oke, time's up. Take turn. Gantian. Menafkahi give allowance ya, ya. Orang-orang terdahulu. Kan saya, maksudnya dahulunya udah lama banget apa belum? Ancient, ya? Ancient people, ancient, ya. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you writing? Tulis apa? Alright, his answer. His response. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Mengasah. Strengthen bisa. Sharpen. Sharp itu tajam. Sharpen, mempertajam, mengasah. Sharpen. Otak apa otak? Otak apa? Brain. Ya. Apa? Any question? You, ya. Punishment, not punish. Punish, ya. Pelanggaran. I'm forget. I'm gonna give you later on. Ya. Kenakalan, naughtiness. Pelanggaran ya. Makhluk, creatures, makhluk creature ya. Create itu apa? Menciptakan. Creature. Bukan apa bukan? Bukan saya apa? I'm not. Bukan saya yang tidak suka. Kalau bahasa ini mah not me that don't like. Ya. Masa lalu, past tense. Pas momen deng, pas momen salah. Pas momen. Obligation, melanggar. Melanggar. Trouble. Okay, time's up. Let's already reach 5 minutes, guys. Okay, I want one group to represent ya. You, both of you, please stand up. Only one question. What was the question, and then what was the answer again? Start from Zaidan, please. Zaidan. What's the question again?
Of your experience of education in your school now.
Okay, how is your? Yeah, don't forget to put is ya. How is your what? Your experience, okay. And then what's the answer? Apa jawabannya?
He liked it.
He likes it, and then
Like it, and he received many knowledge, some like Islamic subjects and speaking.
some like apa? Some like. Gak usah pakai some, langsung aja like ya. Like apa ya? Atau some of them like ya.
Like Islamic subjects and speaking subject.
And speaking subject. What do you mean by speaking subject?
Public speaking.
Oh, public speaking, okay.
So he loved it because he get different stuff.
Defend self. He gets defense self. What do you mean? Mempertahankan defense. Oh, you can say martial art, ya. Martial art, and then what else?
From Faisal Trainer.
Of Faisal training, yeah. Okay, thank you. And then you, what was your question again?
How do you study, or how is your experience in the senior school Al-Bahijatul Agung? Is good or not, or how? And his answer, he say to me that very just also.
Okay, please have a seat. Have a seat. Duduk. Okay, right now I want you maybe 3 groups combine to be one group. 1, 2, 3 become one group. Okay, and then mentions the answer and then the questions. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 become one group. 1, 2, 3 become one group, and then you become one group. Come on, sharing, and then you have to choose what was the most interesting thing ya that bisa you get from your friends, for example. Jadi misalkan yang lain udah cerita nih, saling cerita, apa yang paling menarik nih, satu orang misalkan cerita mana yang paling menarik ya, nanti sampaikan ke grupnya. I give you 5 minutes. Udah ditulis kan tadi, cepet aja ya, cepet set yang lain dengerin ya. Oke, paham? Ada pertanyaan? Enggak, yang tadi diskusikan kan, ngobrol tentang pengalaman kan ya. Nah, yang pertanyaan tentang pengalaman diceritain ketemu salah satu. Anggaplah presentasi kayak tadi nih, kayak tadi yang berdua itu. Nah, nanti putuskan mana nih kira-kira cerita yang paling menarik. Nanti disampaikan, kemana? Please tell to the friend first ya. Apa cerita yang mana?
Has he violated in the exam? I am sure that he never filed in the examination because he is very smart. Right? Do you know?
Move a bit, please. Move a bit.
Have you
Jemur di jemur sunbathing. Sunbathing. I was berarti sunbathing. I was sunbathing ya, ada time. Dijemur di matahari kan? Ya.
Or will teach them to be teach because human is
okay? Because the human is the social creatures.
so that human needs are necessary to the society orders. He necessary to the order. And if he be always
One person only 30 second ya, biar cepat. 30 detik. Biar cepat.
I don't know. Because I'm social critic. So that
Who's turn right now?
I
Okay, please.
don't know the
Yeah, come on. Share your story. Okay.
What the meaning once upon a time?
Once upon a time dulu. Sorry.
Routine in the school. So he don't Can you choose one for me? He like to eat. Achieve many times one subject and public speaking. Oh, speaking. So
Ya, pada suatu hari, at the time or one day, ya. Whose turn right now? Whose turn? Oh, you are. So this is the last person. After that you decide ya. What's the most interesting story?
I finish all. Business. But he is
1 minute left, 1 menit lagi. Please decide the story.
Do you like his stories in library? And he and him that I like it because he can get new knowledge. It's when knowledge and ancient people.
Culture. Ya. Kultur bacanya culture. Ya. Culture.
and you can get attention.
Oke, I give you 30 second to decide ya. Decide. Sekarang waktunya menentukan cerita mana yang paling menarik ya. Decide. I give you 30 second. Decide.
Yes, sir.
Explain your answer.
10 second.
His work is good.
Okay, time's up. Time's up. I wanna start from silent please. Silent please. From your group. Okay, please. Wanna explain the story? What was the story again? Oh, your story. Okay, please. And then the other group, would you like to agree or disagree ya? Setuju atau enggak nih kalau ceritanya menarik ya? Okay, please.
Not clear.
Okay.
But my history. Back then, I feel the laziness. This is very simple. For me, to erase the laziness, very simple. This is I back then. When I feel the laziness, I don't enter the class,
Okay.
but I go to Rome. What are you doing? What
What am I doing?
I'm doing? I go to room and then sleep. This back then, but now I don't that.
I don't do that. I don't do that. That's all. Okay. What do you think, guys? Is it interesting? Okay. Yes. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Right now, your group, please. Come on. Keza, come on. Stand up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to tell you guys a story about
Louder, please.
tell you about my story.
Okay.
One day in the morning, I go to school, and then I take lesson with my teacher. And in the middle of lesson, I don't know why I slapped my teacher's butt.
You slap?
My teacher's butt.
You know the meaning?
No.
Slap, nampar. Yeah, but yeah. Okay.
She got very very angry, and then he take me to the field, and I get
I thought it was a woman, no? Because you call it she. Okay, and then keep going.
and I get sunbathing for 4 hours.
4 hour. Okay.
And that make my skin black.
Oke. Oh, you wanna say sunbathing? Kirain sunbathing berjemur ya? Drying, kalau drying ya, drying in the sun ya. Di apa ya? Dipanasin di matahari. Oke, thank you. Yeah, please. Do you think is it interesting, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, very interesting. Okay, your group, please. Come on. Harun, come on, Harun.
Let's go.
Come on, Harun. Okay.
In the question, have you feel the difficult in the preparation for exam?
Okay. Okay.
I think you all know we have many exam. Every exam has many questions. You agree?
Okay. How many questions in each of the exam? 500. In each of subject. Setiap satu pelajaran 500. Okay. Oh, only Vicky subject. Oh yeah, that's much. Okay, keep going.
We are very 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 tired, but we have good dream.
Okay.
We can be ulama. We can
Scholar. Okay.
scholar, and we tidak boleh.
Oh, ya boleh. Cannot bisa.
Okay. We cannot yai us.
Putus asa. Putus asa. Ya. Give up or desperate bisa. Putus asa or surrender. Ya. And then
We must make a conclusion.
ya, conclusion.
We must make conclusion, and we must read it every day.
Every day. Okay. That's all. Yeah.
Enough.
All right. Thank you. Okay. So what's the again? You also mentioned about what, Harun tadi yang pakai bahasa Indonesia? Ulama scholar ya. Okay. Islamic scholar ya. Islamic scholar. Okay. From this group, please. Hey, do you think this is interesting? I think all of you ya have the same what's the experience ya with him ya. All of you ya. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Come on. One person, please. Your friend.
Or this is just an example and never happened in this world. I asked Mr. Asad before, just now, if you became if in your school just one intelligent or smart student and the other is stupid, the other not knowing about
The other or the order?
other
The other friend. Order ya.
or his classmate is stupid or the other is not knowing about knowledge, though just a little, and the one who know the one who is intelligent student is Mr. Asad, and I asked him just now, what do you do if you became like that? What do you do? How you will teach them, or you let them with their stupidness? And he just now he answered my question. I will give him 8 for knowing about our subject. I will teach them every time. I will teach them, or I will solve their problem, or
You will what? Solve.
Solve. Yes.
Okay, solve.
Solve
Sucks mean the other thing ya. Suck. Mengisap. Okay.
To solve their problem
Mhm.
until they have understood about their subject.
Okay, that's all.
That's all.
All right. Okay. Do you agree, guys? Interesting? Yeah. Thank you. All right. The word of stupid, you know, stupid mean?
Yes.
Ya. Kalau kebodohan stupidity. 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 Oke. Stupidity. Kebodohan. Stupidity. Okay. Once again, stay on your group, please. We gonna make a little game first. Kita main game sebentar ya. So the games, you should to once again continue the last word and then make a new word by the last letter ya of the word. For example, the other group say this is gonna be like in order. In order itu berurutannya in order. You are the first group, second group, third group, and then you are the fourth group ya. Anyone can answer, but only one can help your group to answer the question or to continue ya. For example, this group say word of, for example, verb ya, and then the other group should continue the word but with initial of B, verb. The last word, the last letter of the verb is B, right? And then board, then terus keep going ya. Okay, but in English, all of them in English, okay? So the ones that got incorrect answer get powder ya. All of them, semuanya dapat. Segrup. Okay, I give you to think 3 second ya. 3 second or 5 second. 5 second to think ya. Misalkan 5 detik untuk berpikir ya. Tapi yang jawab satu, diskusinya pelan-pelan aja. Kan nih, board. Nih, diskusi dulu, mau langsung jawab nggak apa-apa, tapi satu orang. Nanti yang jawab gantian ya, jangan orang yang sama. Oke, paham? Paham? Oke. Where's the powder? There's the powder ya. Oke, are you ready guys? The fourth group, what are you doing? What are you discussing? Grup 4, ready? Ready? Oke. Alright. This is warming up first ya, pemanasan dulu, pemanasan. Warming up. I give you for the first group exhausted. Come on, exhausted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ya. Langsung jawab aja, difference ya, difference. Oke. And then you have to was the listening your listening skill is right noise train ya. Diuji sekarang ya. Misalkan listens pakai S, nah berarti S ya. Listen pakai N, berarti N gitu ya. Understand? Jangan lama-lama diskusinya. Kalau yang tahu langsung aja jawab. Tapi kalau yang udah jawab lagi, saya nggak anggap ya. Saya tetap hitung counting, oke? Okay? Understand? Alright. Wordnya dari sini deh. Enggak, ini yang nanti aja. Oke, the word right now is train. 1.
North.
Which one?
North.
North. Okay.
Train exercise.
North.
Our.
Hour. 1. 1.
Replace.
Hour. Ya. Run. Narrow. Come on. 1, 2, war. Try. War. This is war. War. Ya.
Read.
Ya. Read.
Disagree.
Eat. Talk. Kind. Ya. Delete.
Talk.
Ya.
Expensive.
Expensive.
Experience.
Experience.
Fast.
Experience. One, two, three. Example. Yeah. Exaggerate. One. Exaggerate. Exaggerate. Exam. Money. Money. One. Yeah. Young. 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 Good. Huh? During. Oh, drink. Drink. One. Hah? Guy. Dah. Tadi warming up ya, warming up tadi. Warming up. Tadi pemanasan aja ya. Nah, sekarang apa? Supaya lebih lebih teratur, yang angkat tangan yang jawab ya, yang angkat tangan yang jawab. Dari setiap grup, tapi jangan sama orangnya ya. Oke? Oke, ready? I wanna start with you. Yang udah disebutin jangan disebutin lagi. You have to be careful and pay attention, okay? Okay, I wanna start with occupation. North.
Hard.
Depression.
Ya?
Depression.
Depression, ya, wrong. North ya? North. With not D. You are with D, right? Depression. This is north. Okay. Where's the powder? Give him powder. Okay. One finger only, one finger. Ya. Semuanya. Okay. Don't take it personal. Okay. Let's calm down. Okay. Alright, start from you. Any word, please. Apa aja? Come on. To this group. Exit. Tired. Come on. One. Day. Yard. One. Two. Yeah. Dog. One. Two. Three. Ya. Good. Day udah tadi ya? Day udah belum? Udah ya, Day ya? Enggak, udah. Mana powder? Dengerin. Kalau udah jangan ya. Semuanya. Okay. Atau any word, please. Say to the other group. Word apa aja? Aman? Raise your hand. Apa aja? Give.
Expensive.
Smart.
Ya? Smart. This is, please. Oke. Kalau yang tadi expensive masih warming up, jadi nggak apa-apa. Oke, please. Any word? Dumb. One, two, three. Brother. One. Ready. One, two. Yesterday. One. Young. Okay. One, two. Ya. Great. One. Ya. Noun. Salah. Oh, green apa great? Oh, green. Oke, green. Noun. Come on. Ya. Noise. Come on. One, two. Ya, you. One. Smooth. One, two, three. Ya. Three. Tadi apa aja, weh? Smooth. Salah. That's one. Gak apa-apa. That's fine. This one, oke. Taruh sini aja. Oke, yuk. One round lagi ya, satu perputaran lagi, oke?
Helpful.
Hah?
Helpful.
Helpful. One, ya?
Like.
Lie. One, two, earn. One, ya? Now. One, wake up. One, preparation. One, two, nerd. One, two, doing. One, two, three. Ya, good. Oh, God. One, ya. Dedication. One, need. One, selfish. Oke, one, two, three, four. Ya, yesterday. Betul, salah. Kau kasih. Selfish. Oke, hak. Nah. Kalau bisa kalau kata-kata yang jarang didengar ya. Oke, sekali lagi ya. Come on, start from you. Come on. Beautiful. One, two. Lord. One. Ya. Direction. One, two. Narrow udah belum tadi? Tadi warming up ya, narrow ya? Pas warming up ya? Oke, narrow. One, two, three. Ya? Word. Disappear. One, two, three, four. Replay. Udah belum tadi replay? Belum ya? Disappear, replay. One, two. Yard udah tadi. Oke. Oke, rest ya for 5 minutes, istirahat 5 menit. Dia mau ke toilet, silakan ke toilet. Not allowed to speak bahasa or Arabic ya during this time. Where are the others? Where's the other person? Some of them praying or in toilet maybe ya. Okay, please take a look to the paper that I already gave you yesterday about the discussion. Have you already memorized it, guys? Okay. Let's see. Okay, so open the first page here. Okay, so what's the phrase to concluding a statement? You remember it, right, all of you? Are you already memorized it, all of them? Have you? Not yet? Okay, not yet. How about you? Memorize the phrase. The phrases here, how to starting, how to explain, how to emphasize, and how to conclude. Have you already memorized it, all of them? You already. How about you? Raise your hand that haven't yet memorized the phrases. Raise your hand. Definite memorize the process of making an argument. Please. 1, 2, 3. You already memorized? No? Raise your hand. Okay. You already memorized? Little. You already? Little. Little also. Okay. You already memorized? Here? Have you already memorized it? Little. Okay. So first thing first, I want you to this one. Maybe you are busy, right? Sometime. So starting first. Starting statement. Okay. So I want you to try to first to combine with the phrase. Wait, please sit down. Have a seat, guys. Just open the first page of our new material about making statement, yeah. So each of you should to use should to use and combine your word and then the word that already was again exists in here. I like to start by saying, okay, I'd like to say, I'd like to start by saying, okay, bla 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 here ya. This is I would like to start by saying, and then I want you to use this phrase right now regarding to this man. Whether you agree or disagree, yeah, just say it. For example, then cigarette advertisement, and then I give you maybe three options, and so in the page. This only two options only, okay? So ban cigarette advertisement. Do you know the meaning of this one? So it means like the advertisement. You know advertisements, right? Yeah. So like the marketing try to what's that? To make sure that the society know about the product. Yeah, advertisement means advertisement. Then it means like prohibit the cigarette advertisement. You know? Yeah. And then, do you agree or disagree? This is the first one. And then you should to using this phrase. I would like to start by saying, for example, your claim. Oh, I agree. By saying that I agree to ban cigarette advertisement. And then please give your reason why. Whether you agree or disagree, give the reason. And then after that, also this one. What's your opinion about this one? Giving punishment to child underage. Punishments. Whenever the child or the children make a mistake, you give them punishment directly. Yeah, the punishment here also always about the physical punishment. Yeah, physical punishments like you try to first again swipe, or you have your children, for example, like the children outside, you should dry in the sun, like your friends. Yeah, so giving punishment to the child underage. Underage means the age before they are mature or still child. Yeah. For example, start from 1 years old to 5 years old. Yeah. This is underage. So I want you to quote and then again try to remember, not writing, yeah. Then I give you